I appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Yeah, be safe tonight. Been sitting for 3 hours in a dock, and you don't want to do a split because it's a waste of time, and you need your whole clock anyways. And tomorrow's Friday. You should go ahead and order you some food. Okay. Comes my dasher, my food. All right. Here we go. Let's see what we got. That boy. All right. Hey, this stuff is hot too, let me tell you. Ooh, let's check it out. Pretty good. Better than microwave. I ain't got no food in here. I didn't bring it. I wasn't planning on staying.